Yo! Alright, so market's opened in 5 minutes. Live trading today on YouTube. So yeah, let's get into it. FOMC today, so it might be choppy. Not expecting to actually take a trade today. However, if the market presents a good opportunity, we'll be taking the trade. So let's get on to Q. Yes. Okay. So straight away bullish SMT daily as well. Let's have a look. Zooming out. Expecting high prices. Generating a bit of buy side, probably. That will get taken out later during FOMC, most likely. Big. Hourly imbalance. Yeah. Interesting, no wick. That's where I'd look to see a change in state, possibly in the 15-minute, and then I'll be looking for longs after that. Until then, got an ST on the higher time frame. So yeah, that's about it, man. Buy side technically internally there. Just generating all of this buy side. A lot of accumulation, potential manipulation, distribution, but yeah. To have been bearish, like, that's why I get confused sometimes. Respecting bearish order flow. Again, coming in there. Hourly breaking structure. So it could come down to these lows. These lows, but for me, this hourly imbalance would have to hold. This 15-minute bearish imbalance would have to hold to go lower, but if you want to go higher, I need to see a change in the state on the 15-minute at least before you even look for an entry. But yeah, I could see a move up higher. SMT internal 15-minute fair value gap hold. Yeah, 15-minute and then a 1-minute entry model, change in state, SMT, sells. But just have to see, man. Market's now opened, instant sell-off. Taking out these lows. Yeah. I mean, you expect price to continue lower, but may sweep these, push slightly higher. Now we've got a 15-minute value gap there, so may come in, tap into that if it wants to go lower, or it may just dump. But yeah, man, just gonna watch today. Maybe take a trade. Got 2 evaluations at the moment, so just gonna copy trade them for the minute. Oh shit! Look at that, 15-minute. See this low time frame trade. Play out. Very, very patient today. Let's see if that holds. Don't expect it, but I might do. Yeah. Holding very nicely then. Or not. We'll see. Price wants to respect that. 50-minute for value up holding. 1 minute's the aligned time frame, so we'll be looking for maybe some sort of SMT, but not gonna get that. Change the state there on a 1 minute. Confirm that out of their target, yeah, would be that low. But for this to be a valid setup for me, I need this level to get taken out again. SMT, change in state. We'll see, man. Thank you. Yeah. Never tapped that 5 minutes. So I did that. Yeah, we did. But I mean, look at this. Just chop. That's what happens usually pre-FOMC. Just generating liquidity on both ends. So yeah, I'm not going to force any trades, just watching, observing, see how it goes, and then yeah, maybe take a trade. Oh.
You got football training tonight?
No, season's done.
When are you going to start your own individual pre-season training then?
I've already started.
Have you? Have you?
Well, nah, just fitness. I haven't started playing.
Oh, what's this white stuff?
Shut the door, please. So, SMT, man. Changing state, potentially forming here. This is not something I want to take due to high time frame bears, but could be something we see just to get back above these highs. Okay, same thing. Yep. Anyway, entering off of this would be quite big. So technically that's the entry model I usually look for. So let's see how this would play out. Not something I would want to take because of the higher time frame, but sort of the entry model. Yeah. But for me to take long as this would have to get inversed in the 15-minute. That would make me believe we go longer up to here. Ideally we just sweep. No S&T there, I don't believe. No. On this entry model, you'd then look for another possible entry at the changing state. So 5-minute change as well. But yeah, if we inverse this, the next 2 minutes, validate a long set of forming, but yeah, respecting it currently. But we may just respect it, push it lower into the fair value gap to then send it higher again. So come into the fair value gap on on NQ, not ES. So like a 15-second S&T. Whether or not that holds or not. I'd want to see this next minute candle open up higher. Yeah, there you go. Again, potential change in state there. 15-minute. Just pushing for it. So low. Now we've got a 5-minute change of state, 15-minute inversion, NQ. Still respect that fair value gap, but yeah. Now looking for this high to get taken, potentially for a short setup there. So yeah, if I was in this trade, area partial, but a potential entry down here. This fair value gap. Really nice reaction there. Didn't actually tap the fair value gap, but yeah, on NQ we have 5-minute retrace. 50-minute looking to now push and inverse, yeah. 1-minute bullish reaction out of that fair value gap. Again, potential long if that closes. But yeah, may close bearish though. But even on that would be where I'd partial unless you stop there, but that's tight stop. Yeah, let's run it. Let's see how this one will play out. Again, not taking it. Oh. In 15 seconds. SMT. Change and stay right there. So yeah, I would like to take this. But looks with a 5-minute change in state, now expecting the 50 minutes to get ran up to this high at least. Where it is. Yeah. It's now running. Yes. Ooh, fucking hell. I mean, if you hadn't got an entry, right back into the fair value gap. Yeah, see, it's good. That's why you don't FOMO into a trade. Just gets ripped down like that. Crazy. Okay. Taking up those lows now. Again, not on ES, so look to see if there's a potential SMT. But again, yeah, so those two forward tests both failed, that's why. You always got to have the high time frame narrative in mind. But again, can still be bearish. We have inverse this gap. Potential SMT forming at the lows. Get a change to stay there. Carry on higher, but I'd like to be bearish still. So yeah, very interesting. Potential SMT forming on the 1 minute. 5-minute goes straight back below. 50-minute might get a reaction. Yeah, crazy. I mean, I still don't like logs even less, to be honest, with inverse this gap. It just, don't know, to me looks bearish. Still no SMT. Don't know, I don't think it holds anyway. sells in this area. If we was to inverse this, I expect us to go and take this high. There may be an S&T up here, but I don't know. Interesting day so far. Yeah, it's been chopping. And so now you have the SMT here. Will it hold? Possibly. Need this to inverse. Potential longs. It's that high, but it's just not. Yeah. Nothing clean. Just in this range waiting for FOMC really, aren't we? Like, no point getting chopped up in this. Just watch and try and read price action. Again, so it's bullish S&T, changing the state, everything's holding. This inverses. Let's be happy, that would be the stop. Be the first take profit. Break even. But it might not inverse. No inversion there, so no trade. This is where you want this to expand through the value gap. If you was looking for longs, but I think you could get that right now, yeah. There we go. Again, you'd like to have it stop below the low, so it's a bit protected, but you'd have to realistically have it there. Just would wait on this candle close, but yeah, again, you won't get a great fill. That's where it filled. something along those lines. Not a bad trade, to be fair. Got another, we have, got a change in state. Just, I mean, for me to go long, I would like it to be in this for value gap. Then I could have a bit more room with the stop loss, but yeah, I mean, now if it's gonna go now. Now this is where you'd want a 15-minute change in state. We'll rebalance, so we may actually get this 15-minute change in state. 5-minute as well. Pull back to this area for value gap, and then continue running higher. Good. Go up there, take that high, chop, back down, expand. I don't think you can have crazy take profits on pre-FOMC, to be honest. It's just chop, chop. Not convincing handle, but now I want it to expand. Yes, taking that high. Something to note, potential SMT forming. So now for me to go short, I need a 1-minute change in the state. So if using this trade in NQ, I'll possibly be looking at getting out of it, to be honest. I'll at least have my stop at break even, because yeah, as I said, potential SMT now forming there. So yeah, I focus on ES. Now I'm looking for a 1-minute change in state. Fast go lower, because we have, I mean, we're going to create an hourly for value gap there. So if we push, we may push higher. Could see something where we just chop around here, create an hourly for value gap, push a bit lower so we don't change in the state on the 15-minute, and then push higher into the hourly for value gap that they just created. Something like that. SMT at the highs. Yeah, we'll see. rebalance the 5-minute change in state. Right there. That is that fair value gap. So potential longs, but again, as I said, we've now opened up 1 hour fair value gap there. So I'll be looking for to go in there and then see some sort of did get a 15-minute change in state. Non-NQ as well. No, so no, yeah, NQ's nowhere near. So it could have been stopped at break-even. No. Have still got this SMT there. So potentially I'd like a little, I don't know, maybe a few candles pushing up here to then create a clear manipulation leg and change in state for the entry. So we'll see. So yeah, off that bullish model, be looking for higher, but I don't know, like 5-minute change there. Still seems very bearish to me. Though we often get caught out, take that change in the state, and then we just go the other way. Especially now we've got this SMT here. I'd like to see a clear few candles up here, creating another SMT there, changing the state for the entry, targeting lower. Because I definitely think we can push up higher, take out these highs, just so we can get into that hourly gap. May not even create an SMT here, but as long as we hold this SMT over here, that's fine. And there we go, we're in the hourly. Technically, it's going to be an SMT right there. Thank you. So this could be my first entry here. Yes.
Order filled.
How do we get filled? Right, so aggressive entry. That's why I've only taken 1 micro. But a technical standpoint, got a change in state right there. Got higher time frame S&T, lower time frame S&T. "15-second change in state right there. Yeah. We get stopped out of this trade, but that's why I take it with 1 micro. So yeah.
Order
But
filled.
yeah, this is now looking a bit more where we'd want to see the change in state, right down here. That's if we continue to hold this S&T 5-minute. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Continue to hold. So no, technically taking out an internal. Household. So I'll be looking at that change in state right there. But I mean, yes. Also, this 5-minute getting inversed is a key level. Say we make a, 5-minute inversion for value gap. That's very, yeah. Could wait for the 5-minute to inverse, and then you could target there, and then all the way down there. But if we don't hold this S&T on a 5-minute, then it's looking like we might. Just have to see, man. Just have to see. So I like to see NQ don't know, man. I just do think we can't tag that high. So, yeah. Yeah, it's not so clean on a 1 minute, but 2 minute. That would probably have to be my entry. 2 minutes, let's say. I mean, price action's not crazy smooth, but if you zoom out to the 5 minute, a lot of wicks, but how you get maybe the one that holds percentage price higher. got that S&T there, now it's starting to get this change in state. First take profit there, second one all the way down here. It's not as it's just not very clean, is it? Okay, so potential. One minute I can do potentially. Taking that off, still holding that S&T, potential S&T falling. It's just not really, I don't know, man. I will take it, forget that. Get a change in the 1 minute. Stop it right there. It's tough because it's not, I don't know. I mean, like it is technically 50-minute imbalance, holding bearish, high time frame bearish, although we've had a big bullish wick. But 5-minute S&T, 1 minute change S&T here, there. So I'm gonna look for the 1 minute. Two minutes, just wicks everywhere. 5 minutes, well. We're so close now to this. Try to see some actual displacement through below. 4-hour candle. What's a 4-hour candle? Like on the 4-hour. Wicks, perfect. Forget this, I'd like to take it.
Order filled.
What am I risking? Right, to get in.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
220. 220 risk, half risk. Yeah, let's just see how it plays out. Might be stopped straight out here, which would be annoying, but yeah, looks like it's gonna happen. Oh yeah, we've now taken that out. Don't have an S&T anymore. I think I get out there, bro. Don't want it to come any higher really at all. Pushed above. Tempted just to flatten the whole thing for 200. We're now above that on NQ. It's just why I think. I don't know, it'd be interesting. Seems to be coming back down slightly. We don't have this. Like, got this there. Don't have this S&T no more, so yeah. Reaction off that Favre gap. I mean NQ. Looking like I want to go higher. Yes. It's difficult. I do just want to close the trade right here. But yeah. Go for half the risk. Do you know what I mean? I mean, we are still holding this S&T. It's just not clean. Want to get out of it. Wicks. Should have waited for maybe a 2 or 3 minute, or 5 minute maybe. Yeah, I think we go take that, stop me out now. NQ's not really showing much signs of slowing down now. He stopped out, but imagine we just hold on below this high. Change the state.
Order filled.
Yeah. Alright. That's the trade's done. One trade. Yeah, man. Obviously, like I said down here, pointed out this model, but I was bearish on the day, so once we took this high, should have waited for some clear displacement. I don't know, man, I thought maybe just, yeah, another SMT was there, it was still holding, clear displacement through that low at least, just instant rip back up. Could have waited for a 2-minute confirmation, 3-minute maybe. But all these wicks, I should have probably just, should have set it out, but did well, took it with half size, so no big deal really. Counts pretty much, still at 50k, so no dramas really. Cool, so yeah, trade's done.